7 and 8 are those story problems, so you're going to have to get them set up. It says write a system of equations that represents the problem situation, then we're going to solve it. So Brittany and Lynn each earn a base salary plus commission. Brittany is earning $2,000, so she's got a base pay of $2,000. So I'm going to write y equals 2,000 plus 15% of her sales each month. So 15% would be 0.15 and times her sales. So I'm going to call that my x. And then we have a similar equation for Lynn, only she's starting with 2,200. And then it's 10% of her sales each month. So plus 10% would be 0.1 or 0.10. It's up to you. Then times x. How much will Brittany and Lynn need to sell in order to earn the same amount each month? So if we want them to be the same amount, we want them to be equal to each other. So you're going to set this top one equal to this bottom one. So we're going to set 2,000 plus 0.15x equal to 2,200 plus 0.1x. And then I would probably subtract 2,000 from both sides. And I would subtract this 0.1x from both sides. And if I do that, on this left-hand side here, I'm getting 0.05x. And over here, I've just got 200 left. Then to solve for x, divide by 0.05. So I get x equals 4,000. So how much will Brittany and Lynn need to sell in order to earn the same amount each month? $4,000. The dollars is already out there. Okay, and this bottom one is similar to that. All right, so looking at this one, we want to write our system and then try to answer the question that goes with it. So Workout Plus offers a membership for $30 a month plus $100 startup fee. So when you read these, you got to figure out which one do I need to multiply by x and which one do I not need to multiply by x. $100 is the startup fee. You only have to pay that one time. So your 100 is by itself, and $30 is each month. You have to pay that for every single month. So if it's 1 month, we pay it once. If it's 2 months, we times it by 2, and so on. Same idea here. FitWorks offers a membership for $50. This is each month, plus the $20 is the startup fee. So for this one, our 20 is left alone, and the 50 gets multiplied by the number of months. And then the question says, after how many months will the memberships to both gyms cost the same amount? So we want to find when these are the same again, so we're setting them equal to each other. And this time I'd probably subtract the 20 over to this side and subtract the 30x over to that side. If you move things in a different way, you should end up with the exact same answer in the end. So over here we get 80, and here we get 20x, then we divide both sides by 20, and we get our answer. X is 4, and that represents the number of months there that we needed, so 4 months.